In Camperopoli, you will find everything you need for your camper, caravan, leisure and garden items such as chairs, tables, deck chairs and spare parts of all kinds. Brands like Brunner, Fiamma, Teleco, Dometic and much more. All this and even more you will find both in the headquarters of Bologna and in the headquarters of San Pietro in Casale, where we also offer service repair workshop Camper, Subagenzia Vittoria Insurance, and if you do not have the camper, you can rent it and buy it at our office. Camperopoli Bologna offers to all fans the possibility to live the camper, whatever the approach to this lifestyle. Camperopoli Bologna also means area parking, located just minutes from the historic center, convenient to public services and the most important and interesting attractions of the city. It is very easy to reach us from whatever direction you are coming from, directly from the ring road and the motorway exit, or from whatever state road you are driving. Parking in the Camperopoli parking area is even easier. Just ring the bell or once in the area, dial one of the phone numbers you find at the entrance. You can also book your stay from the site camperopoli.it. Now all you have to do is visit our beautiful city. If you love sports and outdoor activities, you can start from our parking area on foot or by bike, following the Sant'Antonio Way that passes right behind our parking area, along with the Navile Canal, to reach the Basilica of San Luca. Do you like to immerse yourself in nature? In Bologna, there are many green areas where you can relax while taking long walks. If you prefer, you can rent our bikes and buy at our point of sale everything you need for your excursions. You just have to leave for a nice ride on the Bolognese hills in full green theme. If your lifestyle is more enjoyable, you can book a taxi or you can buy a bus ticket from us, which stops exactly in front of the area, and with a few minutes you will reach the historic center. You can go shopping under the porches, maybe enjoying an ice cream. And don't forget to stop in one of the many restaurants where you can taste one of the best cuisines in the world. If you're a lover of culture, you can visit museums, admire the local architectures, and take the tour of the famous churches of Bologna. Bologna also means engines, and you can't miss a visit to the Ducati Museum and the Lamborghini Museum. Undecided? Don't you know how to organize your weekend? We will take care of it. In collaboration with Bologna Welcome, we would offer you different solutions to experience the city and its beautiful province in every aspect. And so, even today is a good day to live. Camperopoli is waiting for you.